Geek Support. How to fix Windows Update error 0x80070643. First, let's check the error in the Windows Update panel. Make sure that the error code matches what you have specified. Press Retry button. If the Windows Update error does not disappear, then here is the working way to fix it. To streamline the process and avoid the complexities of entering commands in Windows PowerShell or making manual changes to the registry, I have created a configuration file designed to implement all the necessary adjustments and resolve the error. Based on extensive testing, this script has proven effective in 90% of cases. You can find the download link in the description of the video. Download the file and open the Downloads folder. Run the script by double-clicking the left mouse button. Confirm the changes to the registry editor by clicking Yes. After the script is completed, a notification will appear. Click OK. You need to restart your computer. After restarting the system, go to Settings, Update and Security and check if the error has been fixed. Press Retry button. Congratulations! You have successfully fixed the error and now your operating system will be able to download and install all updates on its own. Geek Support channel. If I help solve the problem, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Your support is very important to me.